family, welcome to my channel. My name is Faith. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So as the title says, I am bringing you the unboxing of my August 2021 Boxycharm Premium. Keep still. So, I don't know if you guys know, but if you have informed mail, it'll inform you of your whatever mail you're getting when they want to post it. It's your USPS. Whatever mail you're getting and whatever packages you're getting, they have like a little truck. So cute. They have a little truck that be at the top of whatever mail thing you're using. I use Yahoo, so they have little trucks because when Boxycharm was coming, they had a little truck that had Boxycharm on it, and then it had one with Ipsy, and I think I had like 4 or 5 trucks up there. So anyway, whatever your packages you're getting, they will have a little trucks up there. So cute, and I love that. But anyway, just have to sign up with USPS. So here is the box from a Boxycharm Premium. And this is how it's looking in the inside. Alright, so let's see. The card says, go all out. And it's just the card with a little description and pricing of what's in your box. So Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. I think most people know what Boxycharm is. Okay, so I'm going to just go on because most people know what Boxycharm is. You know, I don't get informed about a lot of things, and I know what Boxycharm is, but I'm just saying that's just me. So anyway, reach my magnifying glass. What do you get? Alright, so let's get started. And the first thing I'm taking out is look like makeup sponges. Pads, cloth from LaRue. This is supposed to be an expensive brand, and there are 3 in here. Let's see what they say about this. I'm sorry about blinding you with the magnifying glass, right? I forgot it was in my hand. I did. It's LaRue's, not LaRue. LaRue's Beauty Face Disc. Wipe away your day with this alternative, eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pad. Okay, so these are $24 for those. Okay, so what is this? This is Grown Alchemist. I don't know what I picked. It probably was something skincare. I'm pretty sure of that. But let's see what this is. Grown Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask. Now I may have chosen that. I'm not sure. This anti-aging facial mask revitalizes dull skin while delivering a cooling sensation. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin hydrate. So skin. What? I think I was. Yeah. So skin looks plumper, healthier, and smoother. This retails for $79. Yeah, this is $79. Wow, it's a little beat up, but that's okay. Boxycharm don't really have any padding in these boxes. Well, not the ones I've received anyway. Well, this is just my second premium. Grown Alchemist. Let's see if it is sealed. It is not, which makes me think that while I'm looking at the tube, it's look kind of dent up with little creases. And when you have a full tube, something new, it's it's smooth. It doesn't have dents in it like this does. You can see the dent right here. I don't know, that may have happened in shipping, but the box is a little beat up, so I don't like it when they don't have this sealed though. But okay, I'll see what I do with that. All right, the next thing they have in here is, what is this? Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew Cleansing Oil. Now, I know I didn't pick this. I don't choose cleansing oils. They just put them in a box. I don't choose cleansing oils at all. All right, Earth Harbor, right? Let's see what it says. Earth Harbor Naturals Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. Okay, sweet tropical sunshine and silky dew drops smoothly across your face, removing impurities, pollution, and makeup. It removes pollution, people. Yeah. Well, that's what it says on this card. Okay. Okay, antioxidant-rich oils infused with sea kelp and papaya enzymes. Okay. It says it rinses completely clean with water, no tugging, scrubbing, or greasy feeling, just an effortless oil massage. And rinse, leaving skin fresh, hydrated, and bright. I don't know. This is the box. This is $24. Okay, yeah, it's oil, all right. It's an oil. It does smell kind of, well, to me, it smells kind of sunshiny. It does. It smells really good. I don't know about being I guess because it's a cleansing oil, it's not, too thick, but it smells really good. So I can do this when, I could understand this one since it's being oil with no tab on it, right? But yeah, you see what I'm saying? Like I said, this one was $24. What is this? This is Vesca. Oh, bronzing powder. I don't know. Like I said, I don't remember, since it's a month ahead of time that you get to choose, you choose these things. So let's see what they say about Vesca. Vesca Beauty, kissed by soft matte bronzing powder. Okay, it's a bronzer, people. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Michaela, turn that light down just a little bit, sweetheart. Just a little bit, okay? Yeah, thank you.
Grandma, I gotta walk past.
Huh? What happened?
I gotta walk past.
I am. Okay, this is, let's see. It says it is vegan and cruelty-free. A tropical scented bronzing powder delivers covetable sun-kissed warmth and yeah. Okay. It's just the website and stuff on the top. I'm looking for the shade, if I can get it out the box. Nice, sleek packaging. There we go. Okay. Let's see if they have the shade on here. Yes, little girl.
Can we check the mail?
Is that what you interrupted me for? Can you check the mail?
Yeah.
Sit down.
Can we check it?
If your sisters go with you, one of your sisters, you cannot go out there by yourself.
I'm tired.
All right. Maybe I could finish by the time they come back. I do not see a shade on here. It just says cruelty-free, vegan, and Kissed by Bali. Maybe that's the shade. I'm not sure, but here is excuse me. Here is the shade.
Come on. Come on.
Right there. That's really nice. I love the darker bronzers. Well, because I'm beautifully brown, right? Brown. Right. Alright. So, did I say how much this bronzer was? Probably not. I'm trying to hurry up. Alright. This is $30 for that bronzing powder. Alright. So they have two things left in here. One is no palette. So one is the OC Sea Minerals Mist, which is this. And this is how it looks. What does it say? Seaweed looks good on you in the lid. Very pretty packaging. Very pretty. Okay, so spray mist. Okay, let's see what they say about the OC. OC Malibu Sea Minerals Mist, $38 retail. It says balance and soothe skin with this supercharged toning mist. So this is a toner. Okay.
Hey, smell that.
Mm-hmm.
That's all you gotta do.
All right, guys, I'm recording now. That's a toning mist. Let your sister smell it and be quiet.
It don't have a smell. It don't have a smell.
I said shh, shh, shh.
It don't have a smell.
$30. Did I say $30 for that? Yeah. No, $38 for the toner. Toning mist. Okay. All right. I love that frosty looking packaging. Yeah, that's pretty. So the last thing they have in here is from Fenty Beauty. This is What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. Okay. Where's the card? I just had it. Okay, found a card, and it says Fenty Beauty What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray, retail for $30. A superfine hydrating mist that can be used under makeup for, it says, for foundation prep or over makeup to instantly revitalize and refresh skin throughout the day. Okay.
Get some coffee.
I don't know where I left off with this. I know I left off with Fenty. And this is a hydrating mist that's $30. Loving the packaging. The frosty. What I said on the last one? Icy, right? I don't know why I say frosty. The frosty packaging. That is so pretty. So pretty. Okay. It smells like a spray. You know, nothing fancy, just like a regular spray.
Come on. Clean that brush.
What are you doing? Yeah, sorry. Anyway, smells like a spray. You know, nothing extraordinary. I love the packaging though. How many ounces is this? This is 3.44 ounces. So that is my Boxycharm Premium for the month of August 2021. I hope everybody enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know down in the comment section if you received yours already. I was so surprised when I received mine already. I thought it was add-on box. So anyway, thank you guys again so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share with everybody. Sharing is caring. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right down below. It doesn't cost a thing. And hit the notification bell. Yeah. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much again. I hope all of you are well and safe. And you know, I know you're truly blessed. I love all of you guys so much. I hope all of you are having a wonderfully blessed day, living this best life. And I will see you all in my next video. Hopefully by myself, but it doesn't look like that. Bye. But Maya's saying bye in the background.